One of my friends has requested me to show how to make sweet and sour mango chutney in Punjabi style. So here today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and sour mango chutney. For this, here I have 1 kg mangoes and approximately I have taken 300 grams of sugar. Here I have 200 grams of brown sugar and 100 grams of white sugar. But this is not necessary. You can take either all white sugar, or you can take all brown sugar, or you can also take jaggery if you want. But here I have taken brown sugar and white both. Then little salt we'll need, little red chili powder, and here I have half a teaspoon of fennel powder. This is soft powder. Then here I have 2 whole red chilies, dry red chilies. Here I have 2 to 3 crushed green cardamoms, cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera. Now, the quantity of sugar will again depend on your taste, how much sweet you want and how much sweet your mangoes are and how sour your mangoes are. So we will put this much first, 300 grams approximately in these 1 kgs of mangoes. Then we'll taste it. If we think we want it more sweeter, we can add more sugar according to our taste, according to our requirement. So now, first what we'll do is, we'll take these mangoes and peel them. See, these are washed and now we have to peel them. After peeling them, we will grate them. Here we have grated our raw mangoes. Now we'll prepare the tempering for this mango chutney. Here I've taken 2 teaspoons of oil in this pan, heated oil. Now we'll put these 2 red chilies. I've taken out the seeds from these red chilies. Now here my cinnamon sticks, cumin seed and crushed green cardamom, and also the fennel powder, soft powder. We'll just saute these dry spices for a minute. Now it is very simple, very easy. Now we'll add this raw grated mangoes. And also little red chili powder. Now this again depends on your taste. If you like to eat little spicy, you can add more red chili powder. Otherwise, you prefer sweet, so put only less red chili powder. Now we'll also put half a teaspoon of salt and we'll cook it for some time till all the water is evaporated and our mangoes are cooked properly. Now we'll cover it for a few minutes. In between, we'll stir it. We'll cover and cook these mangoes for 4 to 5 minutes. Our mangoes are almost done now. We'll put in our sugar. Keep stirring it. It is very easy. It doesn't take much time. Now the other sugar also. See, if you want, you can also add some dry fruits to your chutney. You can also add kismis. You can add muskmelon seeds or walnuts. But again, depending on your taste. See what nice color. With brown sugar it gives a better color and it is also healthy, but again it is optional. As per your requirement, your taste, you can add the sugar whether white or brown. Now we taste a little bit to adjust our sugar. It is perfect. We don't need to add more sugar. So this was 1 kg of raw mangoes. I have used only 300 grams of sugar, and it is tasting very good. So now for another few minutes we'll cook it, and our chutney is ready to be served. You can store it in an airtight jar. How easy it was to make sweet and sour chutney from raw mangoes. So I hope my friend who has requested this, you will definitely try this recipe at home and enjoy this chutney. It is very simple, very easy. Thank you, friends.